everyone, welcome to Aksar channel. Today we are proud to present the cheapest Android tablet in India, Aksar. It's running on original Android 2.3 Gingerbread, has 1 GHz processor, 256 MB of RAM, 2 GB internal hard drive, with cam in front, USB support, Wi-Fi, LAN and much more. Time is changing, the next generation has arrived. Be ready to throw away your PCs. Just stay tuned for the further details. Thank you.
So guys, this is the new Aksar tablet. As you already know that it comes with 1 giga processor, 256 MB of RAM. It has an original Android 2.3 Gingerbread, which has access to millions of applications over the marketplace. You can get it downloaded directly by either Wi-Fi. You can also get it connected to your USB dongle, which supports 2G network, or Edge WCDMA. It also has a connectivity port which is shipped along with the product. It has 2 mini USB ports. That means it will support 2 USB devices. Either it can be a pen drive, it can be a USB keyboard, or either a mouse directly. A better hands-on experience if you have a keyboard on this device. And a breakthrough is this RJ45. This can help you out to get connected to internet by directly inserting your LAN cable. Further, we will go through this is the screen. We will go through with the screen touch and with its user friendliness. See, being a resistive screen, you can always get familiar. At first instance, it might seem to you to be a little hazy to scroll your screens on it, but once you understand that it's a resistive touch and will support the nail format, so that means if your nail is kept on the screen, then you will be able to surf more freely rather going by dragging it likewise a capacitive screen. Being at the price, you can't expect much more from that. This is the best thing which is available in the market, a product which all are looking for right now. What I'll do is I'll play some videos over here that will give you a brief that what exactly. So this is high def video. As you can see, though it has been shooted from my cam, but still you can have a look at the clarity of the images which are coming over here. You can see, just a sec. Okay, else I also have something for you is an additional accessories which can be your a pouch, a 7-inch tablet pouch which is packed with a mind-blowing keyboard. It has a stand on it. This you just have to keep your stand like this. You can mount it over here, and there you go. This makes your Android to be say a 7-inch laptop, mostly usable to all the generations, all the age group people over here. Okay, and there it is. Oops. Okay, so now you will be able to watch the video nicely. These are the colors which you actually get on the screen. You can see the response of the screen as well as the processor the moment it is being used. So it's very smoother, very smoother. The famous song called बदनाम हुई तेरे लिए मुन्नी बदनाम हुई. Okay, so what we'll see through is we'll get this dongle has to be attached over here. The moment you clip it inside, just a second. So here it is. You have mounted your say USB. All you have to do is get your keyboard mouse keyboard USB to be inserted on the top of it, and there we go. You're ready to work with a keyboard. It's the best thing that you can have, the best thing your kids can have. It's a perfect gift. It enhances all the gadgets till date which you might would have seen. It supports a full USB keyboard. It also supports a USB mouse, as well as for internet. If you don't have a Wi-Fi, you get a LAN port as well as a USB dongle. Internet dongle can also be applied over on this USB port, so you can start surfing on the go, on the move. Okay, what we'll do is we'll check through the specs and about device, system updates, Android version. If you might could see, it is 2.3.3. that's an original Android Gingerbread. Okay, the best part of this product is it comes with a 3000 mAh battery, which is capable to run up to 4 to 5 hours, and that is very handy time. You must be aware that using an Android will always churn up the battery. Still, a 4 to 5 hours time on a gadget is nothing to be worried about. That's the best part. And those are the applications which have been downloaded. There are many applications. An Android device by default doesn't come up with basic applications. The rest you have to get it downloaded from the marketplace. So it actually does support marketplace. See, you can have your Facebook, you can have your Gmail account over here. It also supports email, so it's ready to move. You can tweet up over from here. Here you have Twitter. So